In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring task templates on Asana. Let's start inside the Asana project where you want this recurring workflow to live. Opening the right project first keeps everything organized and ensures any tasks you create land in the correct place with the right context, sections, and teammates. At the top of your project, open the drop-down next to Add Task and choose Add Task Template, then select Create Task Template. This is where you design the structure once, so every future task based on this template is consistent. Think of it as your blueprint for repeatable work. Build out the template with the details your team needs every time. Add a clear description to explain the task's purpose and success criteria. Include subtasks for the smaller steps so nothing gets missed. Set an assignee if the task always belongs to the same person or role. Place the task in the right section to match your workflow. Attach key files like briefs or checklists so they're always one click away. And add any custom fields your team uses, such as priority, status, or effort. The more you standardize here, the less you'll have to fix later. When you're happy with the structure, click Save Template. You've now captured the pattern once and you won't have to rebuild it from scratch again. To use the template, open the same Add Task Template menu and select your template. Asana will instantly create a new task in your project with all the pieces you defined: description, subtasks, assignees, sections, attachments, and custom fields, so you can focus on doing the work, not setting it up. Next, set this task to recur. Open the newly created task and click Due Date. Choose Set to Repeat, then pick the cadence that matches your process. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom schedule like every Monday and Friday. Custom repeats are great for patterns that don't fit a standard interval. Make sure the first due date is correct before you set the repeat, so the schedule aligns with your timeline. Finally, save your changes. From now on, each time the task repeats, the next instance will follow the same structure copied from the template, including its subtasks, description, fields, and attachments. This approach keeps recurring work consistent, reduces setup time, and helps your team stay aligned. If your process evolves, just update the template once, and future tasks will reflect those improvements.